Isofix installation instructions. Pull and hold the Isofix system unlocking handle outwards and extract the entire Isofix system. Push the two red buttons on the Isofix connectors and remove the protection caps. Place the two protection caps inside their compartment under the base. Place the child car seat on the selected seat. Fasten the two Isofix connectors to the locking points found between the vehicle seat backrest and the vehicle seat. Push the child car seat against the vehicle seat backrest. Check the vehicle instruction booklet to identify the exact location of the third anchor point for the top tether. Thread the top tether clasp between the top part of the vehicle seat backrest and the headrest. Connect the top tether to the anchor point. Adjust the length of the top tether strap, pulling it firmly to tighten it correctly. The strap is fitted with an indicator, which turns green when tightened correctly. Release the top tether to uninstall the Isofix system. Then pull the system unlocking handle and remove the child car seat from the vehicle seat backrest. Push the two red buttons on the Isofix connectors and release the connectors from the locking device. Take the protective caps previously stored away in the compartment and replace them on the Isofix connectors. Replace the Isofix system inside the base. Installing with 3-point vehicle safety belt. Place the child car seat on the selected seat. Recline the backrest of the child car seat fully, pulling the lever located under the seat. Insert the vehicle's safety belt between the child car seat and the base and connect it to the buckle. Thread the abdominal strap section of the safety belt through the two red slot guides on the base. Press the lever and open the clamp on the base, on the same side as the safety belt buckle. Insert the diagonal strap section of the safety belt into the clamp and release the lever to lock it in place. Tighten the safety belt straps as necessary. Thread the upper section of the safety belt diagonal strap inside the slot guide on the upper section of the backrest. Tighten the safety belt strap once again. To loosen the child car seat harness straps, press the seat adjustment button. Simultaneously take hold of the two car seat straps below the shoulder pads and pull them towards you. To fasten the child inside the seat correctly, overlap the two ends and insert them both into the buckle until you hear them click into place. To adjust the headrest, press the button on the rear of the backrest and position the headrest as required. The headrest must be adjusted so that the harness straps are the same height as the child's shoulders. To tighten the restraint harness straps correctly, pull the harness adjustment strap at the front of the seat until they are correctly fitted to the child's body. To remove the fabric cover, open the cover Velcro fastener on the interior of the backrest. Push both harness straps together with the shoulder straps under the cover. Remove the headrest and crotch strap covers. To replace the cover, follow the above instructions in the reverse order.